Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter Trades, and this is the update of Monday's trades. I did not specifically take this trade, but I also want to document the trades that the market offered, even though I did not take them. So let's dive right into the video. So this is a dollar. I always start with a dollar. So in my previous weekly outlook video, I had said that I was anticipating for the dollar to go up first, and then later in the week we can see some expansion lower. So yesterday, what happened? Yesterday, first thing, we start with the economic calendar. So yesterday was Monday. We had US Bank holiday, so we don't expect a lot of volatility for the US dollar pairs. So going to but still we can still have a setup, but there will not be volatility. So so we are just here looking the trades that the market provided. So on the dollar, this is a 1 hour chart. So if I am anticipating for the price to go up, I was waiting for some sort of price to reach a key level. And what is a key level to me? A key level to me is a swing low or a swing high or a fair value gap. Yeah, and maybe an order block, but not. It's not the most important thing for me. So this is the 1 hour. What do we see? We see that we mark our key levels. This is a swing low here, a 1 hour short-term low. Also, it's good to note that here we have an order block. This is a high probability order block, and we can see that we can just mark the midpoint of that order block. There it is. Just to note, we have this high probability order block there. So we are at this key level. So I anticipate price coming down into this order block, into this short-term low, and then pushing up. So it's just a matter of waiting. So we wait for the London Open. So let us see what happened at the Open. We swept this low here. You can see that this low was swept. This is a 1 hour short-term low. It was swept. See that low was swept right there. And we wait. So what do we see here? What I see here, I see a fair value gap right there. We see a fair value gap 15 minutes fair value gap there. If we are bearish, we expect that to be respected, but if we are bullish, we expect that to be invalidated. Then we see that there's a 15-minute swing low forming here. This is it's showing us that price is probably turning around, so, but we are not sure. So at this moment, we dive to the 5 minutes, and I saw that displacement there. This is a good one. We also invalidate another 5 minutes fair value gap right here. So at this moment, I think now we are convinced that price is actually turning around to be bullish, but we want to see whether these levels will support price going up. So at this point, I think the best thing now is to watch our currency pairs. So we watch the euro. So if the dollar is bullish, we expect a bearish movement to in the euro and the pound. So here's the euro. What do we say here? We have a key level. Yes, we do. We have this 1 hour swing high there. This is a 1 hour swing high. This is a key level. So at the opening price, 2 a.m. New York, London time, we see that that 1 hour was swept. So we move down to the 5 minutes and see what is actually happening here. Remember that this is the bank holiday. You don't expect so much volatility, but still you can find trades because we are intraday traders. We don't look for explosive moves. So yeah, at this point you see that price has swept, and we have seen some good rejection here, but I'm not yet convinced price is turning around. But now, when this candle, when I see this candle print here, this is a good displacement. We have broken this swing low right here, the swing low. That is a break of structure, leaving with a fair value gap. With a fair value gap here. So this is a good sign now, and I want to see how price will react to this fair value gap. So we push, keep going. So we've seen that price traded up into that, and here I like to watch the price in the lower time frame, in the 1 minute, so that I can see. So at this moment here, when price came to this 5 minutes fair value gap and rejected like this and closed, so most definitely that would have been my entry, because now I have confirmed. Where do I put my stop loss? I put my stop loss at the swing high. That is 4 pips. 4 pips, yes. And my target is the Asian lows. So that's at 2.6 risk reward. So let us see what actually happened here. So this 3 a.m. we expect some volatility, and we anticipate a formation of a silver bullet set up at from 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Yes, put our stop loss there. So at this point, it's easy to panic, but we anticipate some highs being raided so that we can form a silver bullet setup. So after these highs have been raided here, we would love to see speed, price moving away from that area quickly. Let me just go to the 5 minutes so that we can see, we can move faster. And at that point, the take profit was hit. This trade, this was a good trade, I can say. So that's the EU trade for the Monday. I missed that trade because I was not available. I was busy handling other business things, other stuff. So let us also check what happened on GBPUSD. So as usual, we wait for the market to open. For the market have opened, we mark our key levels. This swing, 1 hour swing high here. Go to the 5 minutes for the time frame alignments. So what do we see? We see that price traded up, swept this 1 hour swing high, and then immediately it rejected. This is a good sign. This is a bearish engulfing candle, and when I see that at a key level, not any place, at a key level, this is a good sign. Ideally, if someone is courageous, you can just enter here, but what I would love to see, more confirmation. So I look for a market structure shift. So I mark the swing. We mark the swing low right here. This is a swing low. You can mark it with black. So this is a swing low here. So ideally, I would love to see this place price breaking this one. this level and leaving behind a fair value gap. So I see a fair value gap right here, tiny fair value gap, but it is available. It's a fair value gap there. So this shows that this is a displacement, and you can see that these 3 consecutive candles, this is a displacement. So at this point, what I would do is I put my sell limit there, my stop loss above this high, and then my take profit to the Asian lows. So let us see what happened here. You see that immediately we went up there, and this is a powerful candle. This would scare someone. Then some rejection there, some rejection, consolidation. You see, that candle would have scared people out, but what I do here is I mark this. These are high probability order block here. What I don't want to see is I would not want to see a candle closing at the midpoint of this candle, the mean threshold. So if price would have closed there, then I would have known that this candle this trade is probably going to lose. But you can see that this candle respected this order block here. The body respected the wicks do the damage. The body tell you the story. So the body respected this order block here. So that's a good sign. So I expect now price to move away from that area. And you see this now an order block, and this is a silver bullet setup. Because this it is 325, that's a silver bullet. Now I anticipate speed moving away from this area, and probably at this point here I could have added another position, small position, because I anticipate speed, because it's a silver bullet. And you see a price going back up, and then immediately rejects, and at this point we know that for sure that the trade is moving in our favor. So yeah, those are the 2 trades that we saw. That we had a setup on GU, we had a setup on EU, but yeah, sometimes you miss on trades, so don't regret, because the market will always present you with more opportunity. The market will always give you other setups. So this is good, but it's always good to look for what you missed and note them. It is very, very good to look back and see what actually happened. So yeah, that is all for today. As I always end my videos, remember that these markets are so uncertain, but with Christ, life is certain, and we are assured of eternal life. Put your hope in Him. Peace.